Grandpa? No. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know. What do you think? Grandpa? Yay! Yay! Pancake, pancake, bake as a man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it and pat it and mark it with the B and put it in the oven for baby and me.